My name is Dr. William Fosu Amankwaa. I work with the Ghana Health Service as a public health surveillance officer, and I do consultation for the World Health Organization as well as IQVIA. About 4 years ago, when I started this PhD program with Texila American University and the University of Central Nicaragua, today, which is my graduating day, looked whimsical and capricious because it looked too far away. Some way, somehow, it even looked impossible. But with determination and perseverance and encouragement from faculty and lecturers of the university, we persevered. We went through the process. At the point, it got quite tough, but with support, like I said, motivation from the university, coupled with the flexibility of their fee payment, we were able to move through the system. I would say I'm not only holding the title as doctor, but in terms of knowledge, acquisition, skills, and experience. A lot has been gotten from the Texila American University, which is going to help my career, which is going to help the world I am in, which is going to help the very profession I have taken, which is public health. I recommend Texila American University to every young aspiring public health officer or any other background. It is one of the best schools you can go through because they will actually shape you. Today I stand here, maybe the youngest of all the graduates, but the title didn't change. The good thing is that 4 years ago when I was starting this, the person who recommended me was Dr. Fosu, the Regional Director of Health Services in the Upper East region, those days. Today I am also proud to see him being named the overall best graduating PhD student. I will say Texila have actually shaped us, especially the Public Health Division of Ghana Health Service, because now we have a lot of the PhD holders who actually passed through Texila American University and then the Central University of Nicaragua, which I recommend that whoever is interested should make up the decision to join because it is worth it. Thank you.